Job Hunter app review. You're tired of scrolling through job boards for hours, right? Well, there's an app that literally hunts jobs for you. Let's see if it's worth the hype. You open up the Job Hunter and then boom! Clean dashboard, quick sign up, and within seconds, it's analyzing your skills. You upload your resume, pick your goals, and it starts matching jobs like a dating app. But for your career, you can set filters, salary range, remote options, industries, and the AI goes to work. It literally applies for jobs while you're binging Netflix. You get notifications like, hey, you've been shortlisted. And yeah, that feels amazing. The best part, the AI Resume Booster. It rewrites your resume to match job descriptions. Automatically, you can even chat with the AI for interview prep. It's like having a career coach in your pocket. But it's not all perfect. Some matches feel random. And the free versions has set limits. Only a few daily applicants unless you upgrade. So if you're serious about job hunting, you might hit a wall pretty fast. So should you use it? Honestly, yes. If you're tired of job hunt grind, Job Hunter saves your time and sanity. It won't replace networking, but it will boost your chances. Also, the premium version even contacts you directly with recruiters and lets you track interview progress in real time. Total game changer. Plus, you can link your LinkedIn and portfolio so your profile updates automatically whenever you make changes. The AI also gives weekly reports showing which jobs you're most likely to land based on your recent activity. It's smart, simple, and surprisingly accurate. Plus, it has the really smart career progress tracker that shows your growth over time, like how your job matches improve as your skills change, and every week, it sends a custom report with salary insights, demand for your skill set, and new roles opening in your area. It's like having your own data-driven career. So yeah, if you want to spend less time applying and more time preparing for interviews, give Job Hunter a shot. Try the free version so how it performs, and if it lands your interviews, totally worth it. Drop a comment with your results, hit that like button, and subscribe for more AI tools that make your life easier. Catch you in the next one!